Right, we are going to be installing this front fork bumper cover shield or gravel deflector, some may call it, or front fork bumper cover guard. All right, one of the first things we want to do is go up around the vehicle. There are going to be 10mm bolts here and there. You're going to want to remove those to give you some room to slide this guard in here between this area here. And these holes will be able to line up. We're going to do that same thing on the other side. All right, we've already got the feather liner loose here at the bottom so that we can slide that guard back in between here, this area here. So let's get to it. All right, here are the tools I used to replace the front bumper forward lower splash guard and the lower engine cover. A cordless ratchet with a 10mm socket, a hook tool, and a plastic clip removal tool. I'm going to take this hook removal tool. I'm kind of just going to hook it somewhere in here while pushing forward on this guard to kind of free it from any clips that might be stopping it from going all the way to the bottom of that bumper cover. Okay. Once you have that in place, you'll know it's in place because all the holes will be lined up, so pay attention for that. Now you can go ahead and put your clips back in along here and along there, and then you can bolt your 10mm bolts back to the fender liner on both sides. So let's get to that now. Okay, while I am down here, I also decided to put the engine cover on as well. So I'm gonna be walking you guys through that while I'm also putting this front guard, lower splash guard on, front forward splash guard on as well. Okay. So this engine cover kinda just slides into here like that. Right. That's kind of where it's gonna be. Over. And the fender liner here is gonna be over that engine cover, which is should give you access to a 10mm bolt to go through both pieces. But before you do that, you want to make sure that you have your clips in here. So let's go ahead and put those clips in. We're gonna come here. Okay, peel this back here. Go ahead and insert. Grab a hook tool, kind of help me keep this from pushing back. Okay. All right, now we have those clips in. We're gonna close that back up. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, I'm gonna grab this engine cover here. Go ahead and line it up. I'm gonna run my 10mm screw. And I'm just gonna snug it a little bit. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. All right, now we have those in. We're gonna go to the back area. And we're gonna put our clips in here, there, and all around the side. All right, Now that we have all our screws and clips on both sides, and that is how you install the engine cover / splash shield and fender liner, as well as the front bumper cover guard.